This is my model Bailey, and today we will be presenting Shinefinity Best Blondes Kit, doing a speed glaze service. Speed glaze is a quick but versatile service, ideal for in-between color appointments or to adjust warm parts of blonde hair at the basin, while still getting the benefits of healthy-looking shine with irresistible hair feel. For Bailey, we did foundational foil work to achieve more lightness in her hair. Her highlights were done using Blondorplex and 1.9 Pastel Developer. Pro tip, when you get around the hairline area, use a baby light weaving technique. This will help to create a more natural appearance and enhance the volume of the hair. Once you reach the desired level of lightness, rinse the hair and apply Wellaplex number 2 for 10 minutes. Next, we are doing 10-minute speed glaze service to refine the blonde hair. My Shinefinity formula is 2 parts of 0.8/9.8 and 1 part of 0/00 with equal parts of Shinefinity activator. To make this service even quicker, I'm using a bottle applicator and applying on towel-dried hair. (0.8/9.8) is the perfect shade for this because it gives an ultra-natural look with shimmering characteristics while retaining the highs and lows within the hair. I love how Shinefinity provides easy, wet combability and processes in up to 10 minutes. So super fast. Here's an extra hot tip. Use Shinefinity after a blonding service or a standalone glaze, or for natural hair with irresistible silky results. Apply to towel-dried hair, process for up to 20 minutes, and you are good to go. Here's our finished look for the speed glaze service using the Shinefinity Best Blondes Kit. It's a beautiful, cool, balanced blonde with a shine you can feel.